Welcome to part 2 of the Ditzy Channel's epic Lego Dimensions unboxing. If you missed part 1, check out our channel. And now we're moving on to the starter pack. This is pretty epic. So what we've got here, gonna have to move everything else back a bit. Whoop, off you go, guys. So what we've got here is the fantastic starter pack. We've got it on the Wii U, and of course in this we get Gandalf and we get Batman and Wyldstyle, or little Lucy, from the Lego movie. So as you can see, the portal looks amazing. And I think this is another built-in game jobby, the portal, so we'll have to check that out in a moment. And of course, the fantastic Batmobile, which is also a 3-in-1. Okay, so let's have a look what else is on the box. First of all, I did notice earlier that we have got the waves listed on the top of the box, okay? So this is all the different waves of what's going to be released a bit at a time for all the new characters, all the toys to life. Okay, so we've got all this fantastic range here. Of course, we've got Homer and Marty there. We got Shaggy from Scooby-Doo. We've got lots of awesome characters coming out here. Oh look, there's Legolas. So we've got lots of good stuff there. Wave 2, so coming out in the next wave of figures. Oh, there's Doctor Who, there's Unikitty, Krusty the Clown, Bart Simpson, some Ninjago figures. Wave 3, we've got the Joker. Ooh, look at this, we've got a Ghostbuster in there as well. And we've got the Doc from Back to the Future, and a Cyberman. And then wave 4, oh look, Stay Puft Marshmallow Man, fantastic Superman, all kinds, oh even Slimer. So we're going to have some fantastic figures coming out, keep your eyes out for those. Right then, so what else have we got on here? Spin it around. Right, whoa. So we've got the construction at the top there. We've got, ooh, here's the 3-in-1 with the Batmobile. We have the Batmobile, the Bat Blaster. Let's have a look at that. And we've also got the Sonic Bat Ray. So they're the 3 different things that can turn into. Now this is telling us all the different franchises that are going to be included in the game at the moment. I'm sure they'll add more. So we've got Ghostbusters, Lord of the Rings, Wizard of Oz, Lego Movie, The Simpsons, Portal, Doctor Who, Midway Arcade, Ninjago, DC Comics, Back to the Future, and Scooby-Doo. Brilliant. Let's get it open. So, in the box we have... Oh, fantastic. Well, it looks like a normal Lego box. How cool is that? So it's just like your normal Lego box, as you'd expect. And it's got all the characters on there as well. Wave 1, 2, 3, 4. And some level packs and team packs advertised there. So we'll open it up in a second. Oh, wow. This looks very cool. Okay, so just zooming out a bit so we can actually see that. There's a lot to that. So... big poster, very cool graphics, and you can tick off all the different characters and vehicles that you get along the way. Fantastic. Okay, so there's a leaflet giving you some more information and a stop, need help. Okay, so you can get parts, etc. if anything doesn't work, direct from Lego. Several different languages. There we go. Okay. Right then, hopefully we don't need that, that'll be fine. And of course we've got the game, look at that. Very, very cool. Got our main 3 characters we're getting the starter pack on the front. And of course it's advertising the level packs and the team packs on the back. Brilliant. And of course this is Peggy 7. Right, now what do you think is going to be in here? Very cool. I'm guessing the one thing we haven't got yet is our base for our portal and our portal bits. Okay, there we go. So, this is indeed our portal. There we go. Well, this is our portal base rather. So this is where the portal will be built on top of, and these are the little spaces where we'll be putting all our fantastic characters. So, they'll be sitting on here like so to become part of the game. Fantastic. Right then, so it's the game and the base. Right, let's take a look at this fantastic Lego box we've got here. Looks really, really good. So this is going to contain the portal in bits, I'm guessing. So let's open it up, see what we've got. Okay, so in the box, oh look at they're even numbered bags. Look at this. So bag number 2, lots and lots of bits. This is going to be a nice build. number 1, smaller bits. Ooh, there's some funky looking bits there. Very cool. Oh, and I can start to see characters there. I can see a head. I think that's Wyldstyle's hair. Fantastic. Oh, lots of stuff. Bag number 3. There we go. Some more discs for vehicles and things. And I think that's it. Are we there? Oh, not quite. We've got the leaflet. Oh, awesome. Okay. So part of the base maybe? Let's have a look. Alright, that's all for that. There's also some stickers fell out there, so that's to decorate the portal. Ooh, that looks very cool. Awesome. And of course, fantastic leaflets. So let's have a look. Let's see how much they're going to let on before we start playing the game. So, oh, look, they even give us one of those little orange brick separators. Cool. So we can build our characters. We'll do that in just a moment. And it's showing us the portal base that we can stand them on. You notice it doesn't have the portal on. And ooh, so there's some bits. Ah, yes, we have in fact got the instructions to build a portal. Fantastic. Time for a speed build. So there we have it. We've got our 3 fantastic heroes. We've got Gandalf with his fantastic staff. You shall not pass. And then cool cape and a cool hat. We've got Wyldstyle, Lucy with her little computer. Looks very, very cool. Funky hairdo. And we've got, of course, the classic Batman. He's got a batarang and he's got cool cape and awesome ears. So that's really, really cool. So there we go. So let's add these guys to our collection. There we go. There's definitely a good collection going on there. It's going to be good. Right. So here we go, we're going to attach it to our base now. There it is, out of the packaging. And we get our fantastic portal. And it just slots on top. And you press it down onto the little Lego bricks on the base. And there we have it. Just two last pieces I almost forgot. Clip those in place. And there we are. Fantastic portal, amazing build, and some really great characters to play with. Can't wait to get started. So check out the Ditzy Gaming channel, link in the description, for our first walkthrough gameplay videos of Lego Dimensions series. And that starts tomorrow, Wednesday the 30th September, so hopefully see you there. If you enjoyed the video, remember to like, comment and subscribe to both of our channels. This has been Ditzy Mum for DTSE The Ditzy Channel. Thanks for watching.